War in 2026 is no longer confined to a map. While headlines focus on the Persian Gulf, a second front has opened up in the digital world. On March 11th, the Stryker Corporation, a $30 billion giant in medical technology, became the first major corporate casualty of the conflict. It wasn't hit by a missile. It was hit by a line of code that wiped over 200,000 devices in a matter of hours. The group claiming responsibility is known as Handala, a collective linked to Iranian intelligence. This wasn't a standard ransomware attack for money. It was a wiper attack designed for total destruction. By compromising a high-level administrator account, the hackers weaponized Stryker's own Microsoft Intune management software. They turned a tool designed for security into a digital kill switch, remotely factory resetting laptops, servers, and smartphones across 79 countries. Why does this matter to you? Stryker provides the implants, robotic arms, and life support monitors that modern hospitals depend on. While the company insists their surgical robots remain safe, the clinical fallout is real. Systems like Lifenet, which paramedics use to transmit critical EKG data to emergency rooms, experienced localized disruptions. When a just-in-time supply chain for life-saving tools is severed, the front line moves from the battlefield to the operating room. Handala claims this is retaliation for a missile strike on a school in Minab. It is a chilling reminder that in 2026, corporate infrastructure is a legitimate target of war. Like the Amazon Kiro glitch we decoded last week, the Stryker attack proves that our medical world has no safety net. If a war 3,000 miles away can disrupt an American surgery, we have to ask, is any business truly safe?